In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to create composite Landsat imagery in ArcMap. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So, in ArcMap, I want to bring in the Landsat images I have. So, click on Add, navigate to the folder. I have Landsat 7 and I want to load in band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is band 7, this is band 8. So I've highlighted band 1 to 8. I'll click on Add. So it is added. Now, band composite essentially is combining many bands to form multiple band single layer, which means all these bands from band 1 to band 8, I want to combine everything together to form a single layer. So to do that in ArcMap, what to do is that you come to Windows, come to Image Analysis. Then when this page is open, highlight all the bands you want to combine. Let me click on this. I'll hold the Shift key and move to the last one and click. That is to select all. Now, after you have selected all the bands you want to combine, then you come to this symbol, which is composite band. So you click on it. So it runs and create a single composite layer. So what it means is that it has combined all the bands together to form just one single layer, which is multi-band. So now that it is done, it's just a temporal layer. So you need to export it or save it. So to save it, you can come back here, this composite that is just formed, highlight it and click on Save. So when you click on Save, you can navigate to the folder where you want to save it and name it as deemed fit to you. So let's name it as Composite. So click on Save. So it's saving it. So it's done, and click yes to add it to the map. Click yes. So it is added. So we can now close this page and uncheck the other ones. So however, if you come here, this composite, if you come here, there is an error that needs to be corrected. If you look at it, all band 1 to 8 are labeled as band 1, band 1, band 1. So what to do now? We know that this band 1, band 2, band 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now you can try to do some band combination. Let's say you want band 7, band 4, this is band 4, and band 3. Yes, this is 3. You can see the combination, what it gives you. So this is how to do band composite in ArcMap, combining many bands together to form a single layer, which is multi-band. Thank you for watching.